And well, hello there everyone, and thanks for coming back and maybe clicking that link to visit my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so probably no surprise to you guys, but I've been extremely busy and things are going good. And I just ever get that sort of overwhelming feeling where you have all these things you have to get done and they're all important. But at some point you have to, like, the word is prioritize, right? You have to say, well, this is more important than that, or I need to do that before I can get that done, and so on and so forth. So that's sort of like what I'm going through right now, is prioritizing what's important. And some of the priorities that I'm trying to sort of sort out is contingent or depends on certain things happening. I'm just gonna clean up here. I don't like, those drapes are looking a little weird, but anyway, so that's what I've been doing. And I think that's just part and parcel of life. That's just how these things go. Is you can't say everything is important at one time, because there are certain things that are more important. And I don't know what that would be. I think it's different for everybody. The standard answer is, the most important thing is family, and then your health, or maybe it's your health first and family, because the expression goes that if you don't take care of yourself, how can you take care of anybody else? Or maybe you may not have a lot of family or no family whatsoever, so maybe it'd be friends. Or maybe it's just trying to get through the day, or maybe in some cases the next minute or a few seconds. Whatever that may be, understanding our priorities, in my case, understanding my priorities, I think has a lot to do with what I've grown up to be, what's important principally and foundationally. So that being said, I am getting my task list and my priorities in check, and just sort of like really dialing in what is super important to me. Granted, this van channel is important to me in that it helps me sort of like navigate what I'm doing with this thing, and also in some cases, some parts of my life right now. There are some of you that have sent me some really encouraging words, some really good advice, and I sort of built up this friendship with some of you guys, and I really appreciate that. Aside from that, yeah, I'm still talking about that van tour that I mentioned from the last video, and not much happening in the ways of a van. I fixed up a few things here and there, but I mentioned it in the previous video where I said, I think I'm done. I think I'm done this as much as I can with this. Just small tweaks here and there. I am setting up an area where I could do a bit more computing on my laptop, and maybe do some work remotely, and that's where everything is. And work is going good. And aside from that, I'm just sort of just coasting and living, and sorting things out, my priorities, right, based on this list that I have. And I'm going to coast to 2022. Okay, and that's it for today. Short video. Just want to say hi, hello, and thanks for dropping by. If you like the video, please like it. If you think this worthy, if you think this, if you think this channel is worthy, see, I just sort of like throw it out there. I don't like rehearse a lot of this stuff. I'm just sort of like talking on the fly, and whenever I get a mistake, I'll usually just include it. That's just how these things go. Yeah. So what I was saying, if you think this channel is worthy, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. I have videos from the past. I've got over 100 videos that I've created over the course of the year, and they sort of like give you snippets of what was going through my mind when I was doing this stuff, and then where I am today. So, and the look of the van has changed, and a lot of the subscribers from previous will probably tell you one of my favorite things in this van is, I'm looking at it, is the ceiling. And I've interchangeably called it ceiling, roof, ceiling, but the thing at the top, it gives it that cozier feel, that more cabin-like feel, because this is the silver cabin. Yeah. Okay, guys, thanks very much. Have a great day. Have an amazing life. There is no music at the end of this. And just as a reminder, you got to remind yourself, hey, you're awesome. You could do stuff. So plan it out and then execute against it. Thanks again. Have a great day.